Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for tuning in to this one. I'm actually really excited. This is gonna be something different, kind of like for fall as well, just because of like tie-dye coming into style, and I haven't done tie-dye like by myself. So obviously, as you can see from the title of the video, I'm gonna be tie-dyeing with you guys, and you're gonna see. And I took I will be taking before and after pictures and stuff like that, but basically I'm going to take you guys through the process of doing it. I had to look it up myself because I had no idea how to do it, but I'm going to show you what I'm going to be tie-dyeing. So there's a total of 6 things. I'm doing 3 t-shirts and 3 sweatshirts, and I'm like so excited. So I'll show you guys which ones I'm going to be doing. So we're working with these 3 shirts. We have this Nirvana shirt, the Rolling Stones, and this is New York from Shein. These 2 are from Target. Really cheap. Awesome. I'm glad I got those. And then we're doing this Skater Bella crew neck and Alpha Chi Omega cropped crew neck. So yeah, super excited. Let's get it. Okay guys, I wanted to show you guys the supplies, but the way that I have like around my room like sucks lighting so bad, and I want you guys to be able to see me. And plus I have this like fat ASS sheet or comforter behind me because it's drying and I can't put it in the dryer. So yeah, basically you have to have rubber bands to be able to like fold the shirt and like scrunch it all together and stuff like that. So I'm gonna do that, but I wanted to first show you what I got, what supplies I have. So this is just from Target. These are the only ones I had, were the colorful ones. I don't know if like these themselves will get bleached. I don't think they will, but yeah, this is all they had at Target, so I got that. Of course, gloves. This is just from when I used to dye my hair and I had an extra pair of gloves, so I kept them and I'm going to use those for that. Then I have just my bleach and my water in here. As you can see, this is from Target as well, and you do half water, half bleach. Make sure you dilute it, please, a little bit. And the lid is somewhere around here. So I'm going to put you guys at an angle where you can see exactly what I'm doing with a shirt or a sweatshirt. I'm not really sure which one's going first because I'm kind of nervous, not gonna lie. Really excited, ready to go. And also one more thing, I'm using this red Target plastic bag for putting the shirt on so that I don't get bleach anywhere else. But anyway, yeah, stay tuned. It's about to get good. Guys, we're just gonna do the, yeah, my head's cut off, the Nirvana shirt first. Really nervous, but this is what it looks like. You're gonna twist one end and then kind of like work from there, because obviously we don't want to get it all over like the symbol itself, like the Nirvana words, but I mean if it does, it's fine. Okay, so I did 4 shirts. No, I did 3 shirts and 1 sweatshirt. So I don't really know how long you're honestly supposed to let them sit, but I just put them in plastic bags. You can kind of see like so far, this one's like really orange. Wow. There's more like time I guess you can put into them, and we have like that one, looks more orange. This one's kind of going to like brownish color. Just depends on how, I guess, much or how, I feel like the quality of the shirt too. This one's still kind of working. I think this was the last one. Oh no, it wasn't. This one is like, you can't really see anything, but I mean, you could always put more. I'm not sure how long you're supposed to let them sit, so I'll figure that out, and then I think you just throw them in the dryer. Now time to throw them all in the dryer, and I'll show you guys what they look like after. By the way, it is the next day, so forgive me. Hi guys. All right, I don't know what the heck's going on with my camera. I have to be like so far back, but basically it's the next day and I just dried them, so we're gonna look at them. I kind of could see them, but I wanted to show you like fully like what they look like with me. So all right, I'm just gonna grab one, hold on. All right, so we have the Skater Bella hoodie or crew neck here. This is how it turned out. Pretty dope, honestly. I kind of like that it's not super crazy because it's just a chill kind of hoodie anyway. And you can still see her like little emblem there, and on the back it says enjoy the journey. You can see that perfectly. So I think this one turned out really cute, really like it. 10 out of 10. New York. I love the way this turned out. It's a little like green looking, but it looks so cute. It's just like, you can see where I tied it, so I really like it. Super cute. Love the way it looks, and definitely 10 out of 10. This might be my favorite so far, even though I haven't seen the other ones yet. Wait, this is like super chill too, which I really like. It's not super crazy. There's not a lot going on with it, but it's still tie-dyed, so I think it's really cute. There's the back. They're like very chill kind. And honestly guys, I let these sit for a whole day. So, overnight I mean. Really cute, love it. I think this one will be my least favorite, but I still love it though. Oh, it's so cute. This is the Rolling Stones one. Oh, I love this one so much. I'm looking at it on camera, I don't even know what it looks like yet, like with my own eyes, but so far, this actually might be my first favorite. This is the color that I was like expecting stuff to look like, which I really like the way this came out. I'm obsessed with it. It's so adorable. I love it so much. Oh my gosh. It's just so chill. Like these tie-dye shirts can match anything, and yeah, super excited, love it. And literally guys, like I showed you everything that you needed, and I think that they all came out like different colors because of one, the kind of cotton that you're working with, and just how it affects black. So 10 out of 10, go do it. It's a lot of fun, and thank you so much for tuning into this video. Love you guys. Like, comment, and subscribe.